In this video, I will show you how to turn off these files might be harmful to your computer on Windows 11. To get started, go ahead and open your Windows 11 device and then use WinS on your keyboard. So in here, go ahead and type Internet Options. So on the results section, go ahead and click on Internet Options and open it. Now, once you're in here, go ahead and head over into the Security tab. And then under that, go ahead and select local intranet and then click on sites. So from there, go ahead and add trusted network locations by clicking on this advanced button. So you'll find that at the bottom of the pop-up. So from there, you need to add your network IP range or server name to the trusted zone. Now after that, you need to click add and then close and OK to save. Reconnect network devices to disconnect and reconnect map drives for changes to take effect. And that is how you can basically turn off these files might be harmful to your computer on Windows 11.